All right, welcome to the demo video for WP Clickster. So we are in a fresh WordPress installation right here. You can see if I go over to posts, you've got a hello world post. If I go to pages, you've got a sample page there. So I'm going to go over here to the WP Clickster plugin, and we're going to go through all of these features that this plugin has to offer. A lot of other software products and plugins maybe have bits and pieces of what this plugin has to offer, but this really has everything that you need to leverage your time in WordPress to save a whole bunch of time and just churn out websites so that you can crush your competition. All right, so just like maybe other plugins you've seen, this one gives you the ability to delete all the posts, all the pages, all the comments on your WordPress installation here. It's just going to give us a nice fresh installation. The other thing that it does is it sets the permalinks to post name to give you a little bit better SEO for Google and other search engines. As some of you know that are watching this, you find that setting over here in the settings tab, but that doesn't really matter because this plugin is going to do that for you. And right here you can stop new comment notifications. You can stop moderate comment notifications. Again, those you find over here in the settings tab, but this plugin is just going to do all that for you. Right here you can create multiple categories. So it says please put categories names separated by commas. So I'm just going to go category 1, category 2, dog training, and baseball. All right, so it's going to create 4 different categories for us with all of those different names. And then we'll go here to the Create About Us page and the Create Privacy Policy page and Terms of Use and Earnings Disclaimer and the Contact Us page. So that's just going to give us, 5 pages there that are pretty simplistic, but it's going to give us those nice placeholder pages just to get us up and running. All right, so then we've got other features here that really no other plugins out there that we know of are offering these same additional features. So you've got Create Amazon Associate Disclosure page for all of the Amazon affiliates out there. And with these disclosure pages, you're able to select based on your country and state. And then as you can see here, we're also giving you an affiliate disclosure page, which is basically going to be FTC compliant. And we got a Create Copyright and DMC Notice page. And then we've got an anti-spam policy page, a medical disclaimer page. And then just like some other plugins you may have seen in the past, this one also gives you the ability to create multiple blank pages just the same way we created the categories. You're going to do the same thing here. So we'll just go page 1, page 2, and cool WordPress plugin. So I've got 5 different pages there that should create for us. Page 1, page 2, cool WordPress and plugin. All right, then the other cool thing you can do with this, last but not least, is installing multiple plugins at once. So all you need to do for this is just enter the wordpress.org URLs or the zip file URLs separated by a comma. So I'm here at wordpress.org. If I go over here to plugins and I just look at their entire directory here, let's say I want to get this plugin here, Buddy Press. I would copy this link address, go back over here, paste it right there, and separate it by a comma. So I put a comma right there. Then I hop back over here and let's also grab BB Press just for an example, and I would paste it right there and then another comma. So that's going to install both of those plugins for me. I'll also grab this one here, Theme Check, and I will paste it there. And let's lastly get this one here, WP Super Cache. So I will separate that by a comma and paste. All right, so we've got all of our plugins in here now. We've got 4 plugins in total separated by commas. Again, all you need are just the URLs. So it doesn't matter if you grab these from the WordPress plugins directory or if you purchase plugins at JVZoo and you want to use those. I mean, any plugins that you own or have access to, all you really need are those URLs. All right, so moving right along, up here you're going to see this warning label. Looks kind of scary. It says by clicking yes button, all the data from the database will be deleted. And so the reason it's saying that is because of these top 3 features right here, the delete all posts, delete all pages, delete all comments. It's just giving you a friendly warning here that if you are using this on an existing site, it will get rid of all of those posts, pages, and comments if you have these checked. All right. And it's also going to change any of these settings that you've selected here. It's going to change those on your WordPress site. So this plugin is just really great for brand new sites that don't have any content on them, and you just want a way to really kickstart your websites quickly and save you a whole bunch of time, especially when you are working on multiple sites. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and test this. I am going to click the yes button. With just one single click, you're going to see just like that, all of these green notifications here telling us that all of that stuff has been done successfully. And if I scroll down here, you can see plugin installed successfully. It's going ahead and knocking those out right now. You can see it's loading a little bit, takes just a few seconds, and boom, just like that, everything's been done for us. We've got 4 plugins that have now been installed. If I go check them right over here, you can see them right there: bbPress, BuddyPress, Theme Check, WP Super Cache. Those are all of the plugins that I grabbed here from the WordPress directory because I had the URLs for those. And then I'm going to go and check a couple other settings that I changed here, like the settings and permalinks. So I click on permalinks, and by default, it's always on this setting. So you can see now it automatically changed that to post name for us. And then if I go to settings and discussion, there's always that annoying comment spam that comes in. And so by default, usually these 2 options right here are checked, which are just going to bombard you with emails that come into your inbox if those spam comments are coming into your WordPress site. And so the plugin went ahead and unchecked those for us, which is great. And then over here, if I go to pages, you'll see that it deleted the sample page and it added all of these other pages that we had selected. So page 1, page 2, I think it was cool, WordPress, you can see right there, WordPress, and plugin right there. It created all those pages for us. It created all of those placeholder pages like the privacy policy, terms of use, medical disclaimer, and these aren't blank pages. You know, if I go over here to privacy policy, these are actual placeholder pages with content on them, like you can see here. All right, so these are great for generic sites just to get you up and running quickly. And then over here on the post tab, you can see that it deleted the hello world post there. It also deleted the sample comments that come with a fresh WordPress installation. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It took care of all of that for us just by going through this plugin and selecting all of these check boxes and, you know, filling in the blanks and then clicking one button. Boom, just like that. Huge time saver. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for this demo video. I hope you found that useful, and I hope you can see the huge amount of time that you can save with this powerful little plugin.